What up YouTube, we've got ourselves another unboxing. These are for the Aftershockz. These are the titanium, the Aftershockz titanium wireless bone conduction headphones. These guys have a premium pitch sound, has sweat resistant, IP55 certified, lightweight titanium frame, dual noise cancelling mics, multi-point pairing, and 6 hours of music or call time. So anyway, we'll go ahead and unbox these things up. Okay, so headphones are here. So these are the headphones. Underneath the headphones comes with your accessories. So inside you have your little quick start guide. You have yourself a serial number for the headphones. This is the warranty card that's provided, and you have yourself a user manual as well. It tells you how to use them. So put that stuff back here, and also the accessory pack that's here. So the accessory pack comes with. So inside the pack you get yourself a little pouch where you can put your headphones in. You also get these little, what are these things again? These things you shove them in your ear so you don't hear anything. Earplugs, that's the thing. So you get some earplugs. You get some more information about storage and stuff as well. And also you get a cable, which is a standard, I believe, micro USB cable. Yep, standard micro USB cable that comes inside as well. Anyway, so these are the headphones just here. As you can see, these come with a small little button here, and that's to answer. It's a multi-touch button. Then you've got your power switch, which is just the volume plus button there, and also you've got the a little cover that houses where you put in your micro USB charger just there. So that's essentially what it is, and that's essentially what the headphones are. How they simply work is essentially they have speakers which go in the back of your ear, and they basically just play music, I guess. Anyway, these are the Aftershockz titanium. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Just a simple unboxing, nothing more, nothing less. And yeah, this would be nice. As always, like, subscribe. Peace out.